OnePlus has finally launched the OnePlus Nord CE2 Lite 5G smartphone in India. This is the company's most affordable 5G smartphone powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 processor. So, without wasting any further time, let's unbox the same and have a first look at the most affordable 5G smartphone from OnePlus. This is the retail package of the OnePlus Nord CE2 Lite 5G smartphone powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 processor. The device comes with 6 or 8 GB of RAM with 128 GB of internal storage. Once we open the box, we get a cardboard box inside the box which houses most of the accessories that are available with the device. As you can see, the smartphone comes with a soft silicone case in the box along with a OnePlus Nord branded card which has a message from the company, and it also has a couple of OnePlus Nord stickers, a warranty information booklet, a safety booklet, and a OnePlus Red Cable Club card. So these are some of the accessories that you get with the OnePlus Nord CE2 Lite 5G smartphone in India. The very next thing in the box is the smartphone itself. As you can see, today we have the blue Tide version of the OnePlus Nord CE2 Lite 5G smartphone, and then we have a 33-watt fast charger with a red USB Type-C cable which can be used for charging and data syncing. Now let us remove the wrap from the OnePlus Nord CE2 Lite 5G smartphone and look at the camera module, which is a triple camera setup with a 64 megapixel main sensor, 2 megapixel depth sensor and a 2 megapixel macro sensor. At the bottom you have a 3.5mm headphone jack, an USB Type-C port and a speaker grill, and on the right you have the volume rocker and the SIM card tray, and on the left you have the power button which also doubles as a fingerprint sensor. The OnePlus Nord CE2 Lite 5G smartphone has a punch-hole style display with an IPS LCD screen with up to 120Hz of refresh rate. I have set up the OnePlus Nord CE2 Lite 5G smartphone, and this is the home screen of the same. Although it comes with a couple of third-party apps, you can easily uninstall them when compared to other Android smartphones which doesn't allow. This is the setting menu of the OnePlus Nord CE2 Lite 5G smartphone. As you can see, if you go to the About device, the smartphone is running on Android 12 operating system with a custom Oxygen OS 12.1 skin on top. As you can clearly see, this is currently the most affordable OnePlus smartphone that you can get with Android 12 operating system out of the box. As I have mentioned before, this smartphone comes with 128 GB of internal storage, and there is also a micro SD card slot for additional storage expansion. You can also enable dark mode to further save battery. As this is an IPS LCD panel, this might not help, especially when compared to smartphones with OLED display. Again, the setting menu is similar to other OnePlus smartphones that are currently running on Oxygen OS 12 or Oxygen OS 12.1. You can look at the camera options available on the OnePlus Nord CE2 Lite 5G smartphone. As I have mentioned before, the smartphone has a 64 megapixel primary sensor, a 2 megapixel depth sensor and a 2 megapixel macro sensor. At the front, we have a 16 megapixel selfie camera which is similar to the sensor that have been used on the OnePlus 9 and OnePlus 9 Pro. Overall, the OnePlus Nord CE2 Lite 5G offers a clean Android experience with minimal third-party apps. However, the skin is a bit heavy when compared to previous Oxygen OS skins, as this is based on the Color OS, just like the Oppo and Realme smartphones. For more videos like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get a notification anytime we upload a new video. This is Vivek signing off.